Eagles, baby!
Hello, my name is Andrew Scully. I'll be a senior next year. I would like to shout forward to Mr. Crawford. I can't wait to learn calculus. And I would also like to shout backward to Ms. Bartella. Thank you so much for rekindling my love for math.
Hello, my name is Aiden Rivera. I'll be a junior this year. I'd like to shout forward to Signora Bosco. I'm looking forward to having Italian with you this year. And I'd also like to shout back to Signora Pergolizzi for making the past 2 years of Italian be very fun.
Hi, I'm Grayson Orton. I'm going into 11th grade. Shout out to Mr. Kramer. I'm really excited to learn college physics. And shout back to Mr. Slasing. I want to thank him for inspiring my love of chemistry last year.
My name is Aiden Rivera. I'm going into 10th grade. I'd like to shout forward to Senorita Menzi for Spanish next year, and I'd like to shout back to Mr. Porter for continuing to grow my love for history. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Olivia Mura. I'm going into junior year. I'd like to shout forward to Signora Bosco for Italian next year and for our Italy trip that I'm very excited for. And I would like to shout back to Mr. Falco for making my love grow through choir.
Hi, I'm Josie Herrmann. I'm going into 11th grade, and I like to shout out to Mr. Hartz, my French teacher last year. He was super nice and funny. And I like to shout forward to Mr. Deere for AP Computer Science next year.
Hello, my name is Cam Araya. I'm going to 10th grade. I'd like to shout out back at Miss Johnson for making me love science, and I'd like to shout it forward to Mr. Hickey. Can't wait for history.
Hello, my name is Austin Stewart. I will be a junior. I'd like to shout back to Mr. Schultz, my tech teacher, for growing my love of all building and trades. And I'd like to shout forward to the whole athletic department for growing my love of football. Thank you.